Hey friends, I want to tell you something honest. I had the same problem you're facing right now. I wanted to speak English, but every time I tried, I was nervous, I forgot words, and I felt shy. But guess what? I found 5 simple things that really helped me speak better, and today I want to share them with you. If I can do it, you can too. Let's start. Way 1. Listen like a baby. Before babies speak, they listen a lot. Do the same. Watch cartoons, easy stories, or English vlogs. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Way 2. Repeat after native speakers. Find short English clips and copy them exactly. Say it with the same speed and emotion. This will improve your pronunciation and rhythm. Try it with lines like, "How are you doing today? That's amazing." Way 3. Speak to yourself. Yes, really. Talk about your day in English. I woke up at 7. I'm going to cook lunch. You don't need anyone else. Just you and your words. Way 4. Use your phone to record your voice, record yourself telling a short story or answering a question. Then listen. You'll hear your progress and also notice what to improve. It's powerful and fun. Way 5. Practice with someone or something. Don't wait for the perfect language partner. Talk to a friend who's also learning. Or use apps like HelloTalk, Elsa Speak, or even ChatGPT. The more you speak, the more confident you become. I know how it feels to struggle with speaking, but step by step, you'll get better, just like I did. Which tip will you try first? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's learning too. Keep going. You got this. See you in the next video.